Hi everyone, this is Frank and Teskey here at MarineMax in Brick, New Jersey. I'm here to show you our 2023 Aviara AV36 Outboard. This boat comes equipped with the triple Mercury Verados, 300s that is. Really great seating throughout this boat. One of the main points of focus is the transom area. 3 fold-up seats here with 3 high-rise seats, or stadium seating if you will. Sea deck throughout the boat, starting at the swim platform all the way through to the bow. Alright, we're in the cockpit of the 36 Aviara. Again, that tan interior carries its way through. Nice woodworking accents throughout the boat. What I really like is that all the seats back here are on hinges. Deep space throughout. Aviara adds a nice little touch with their logo throughout. On the starboard side, we do have our wet bar area, grill, and a second grill, refrigerator, storage compartment, and my favorite part of all, the pull-out cooler. You don't need to make anybody get up out of their seat. Easy access there, slides right out. Alright, at the helm of the Aviara 36, we have a really nice simplistic display, very modern. 3 screens across, first being your lights and pumps, navigation and depth finding, and then your engine data display. Beautiful helm wheel, again with the Aviara logo nicely etched into that wheel. We do have a double wide with thigh-high bolster and footrest. And then finally with the Mercury, you do get the joystick piloting, which offers the sky hook and the auto heading feature. Up in the bow, we have really exquisite seating, bolsters that wrap all the way around. On the port side, you have 4 cup holders with grab handle, access to the radio. This area can be filled in by our bow filler to make it a nice sun pad. Up here, we do have the windlass. Down in the berth, we do have a microwave, some storage. Above that is a flat screen TV, Klipsch soundbar, which is throughout the whole boat. The Klipsch sound system is pretty impressive. Towards the forward, we have a sleeping area, which does convert into a seating area with a table. On the port side, when you walk down into the berth, you do have a full head. Nice flooring, which matches the countertop. Spacious, with storage underneath the vanity. Thank you everybody for watching this video. My name is Frank and Teskey. I work for MarineMax in Brick, New Jersey. This was the 2023 Aviara 36 Outboard. Thank you.